In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, cryptocurrencies have emerged as a groundbreaking financial phenomenon. With their decentralized nature and potential for substantial returns, many individuals are seeking ways to capitalize on this new economy. If you're looking to join the ranks of cryptocurrency millionaires, read on as we unveil the top 5 strategies that can help you earn big in the crypto world. Investing in established cryptocurrencies, the power of hodling. One of the most common and proven methods to accumulate wealth in the crypto economy is investing in established cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, or Ripple, XRP. By purchasing these well-established digital assets and holding onto them over time, you can benefit from their long-term growth potential. Why should you consider this strategy? Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have witnessed exponential growth since their inception, with BTC reaching an all-time high price of over $60,000 earlier this year. By strategically diversifying your portfolio with established coins and patiently waiting for their value to rise, you can potentially achieve significant returns. How can you start? Research different cryptocurrency exchanges where you can purchase these coins securely. Create an account and carefully analyze market trends before making any investment decisions. Remember that patience is key when it comes to long-term investments. Exploring altcoins. Uncover hidden gems with potential. While investing in well-known cryptocurrencies may be a safe bet, exploring altcoins, alternative digital currencies, offers opportunities for even greater gains if chosen wisely. Altcoins often possess unique features or cater to specific industries that could disrupt traditional markets. What makes this strategy appealing? Investing early on in promising altcoins allows investors to acquire tokens at lower prices compared to more established options like Bitcoin or Ethereum. In some cases, certain altcoins experience astronomical growth within a short period due to technological advancements or market demand. How can you identify promising altcoins? Extensive research is crucial. Stay updated with the latest news in the crypto world, follow reputable influencers, and join cryptocurrency communities to gain insights into potential hidden gems. However, it's important to exercise caution and thoroughly evaluate each altcoin before investing your hard-earned money. Staking. Earn passive income by supporting blockchain networks. Staking is another lucrative strategy that allows you to earn passive income while actively participating in the growth of blockchain networks. By holding and staking specific cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet, you contribute to network security and consensus protocols while earning rewards for your participation. Why should you consider staking? Unlike traditional investments that rely on price appreciation alone, staking provides a steady stream of income through regular rewards distributed by blockchain networks. This method is particularly attractive for individuals who prefer a more hands-off approach to generating wealth in the crypto economy. How can you start staking? Research which cryptocurrencies support staking and choose one that aligns with your investment goals. Set up a digital wallet compatible with staking services, deposit your chosen cryptocurrency, and begin earning passive income based on the amount of tokens held over time. Trading. Seize opportunities in volatile markets. Trading cryptocurrencies involves buying low and selling high within short time frames to take advantage of market volatility. While this strategy requires knowledge of technical analysis and risk management techniques, it offers immense profit potential if executed correctly. What makes trading appealing? Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility. Prices can fluctuate dramatically within hours or even minutes. Skillful traders capitalize on these price swings by identifying patterns or using advanced trading tools like bots to automate their strategies. How can you become a successful trader? Educate yourself about technical analysis indicators such as moving averages or RSI, relative strength index, oscillators that help predict future price movements. Practice on demo accounts provided by cryptocurrency exchanges to refine your trading skills and develop a solid strategy before investing real capital. Participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs, early access to promising projects. Participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs, allows investors to get in on the ground floor of innovative blockchain projects. ICOs are fundraising events where new cryptocurrencies or tokens are sold at discounted prices before being listed on exchanges, potentially resulting in substantial returns for early contributors. Why should you consider ICO participation? Successful ICO investments can yield significant profits as the value of tokens often increases once they hit exchanges. By identifying promising projects with strong teams, disruptive ideas, and sound business models, you can secure an advantageous position early on. How can you find promising ICOs? Conduct thorough due diligence by researching project white papers, team backgrounds, and community discussions surrounding upcoming ICOs. Evaluate factors such as market demand for the project solution and its potential impact on existing industries. Conclusion: the crypto economy offers numerous pathways to financial success if approached strategically. Whether you choose to invest in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, explore altcoins with unique features or industry-specific applications, stake your holdings for passive income, trade actively using technical analysis indicators and risk management techniques, or participate in lucrative ICOs, each method has its own merits and profit potential. Remember that successful cryptocurrency investment requires continuous learning, adaptability to market trends, patience during price fluctuations, and careful risk management practices. By combining these strategies intelligently while staying up to date with industry developments through reputable sources of information, such as news platforms focused on blockchain technology, you can increase your chances of earning big within the crypto economy.